If you've created a YouTube channel and want to earn money from it, and you want to know how much YouTubers earn from YouTube, and how much does YouTube pay for 1 view and for 1,000 views. In this video, I will explain how much you will earn from YouTube. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. The amount YouTube paid creators is determined by their content, but it is true that YouTubers earn $1 million. At the start of the video, I will show the top earning YouTubers. Mr. Beast is one of the highest paid YouTubers. He has 166 million subscribers and 742 videos, and his revenue is $54 million. The next is Jake Paul. Jake Paul is also one of the highest paid YouTubers. He has 20.4 million subscribers and 989 videos, and his revenue is $45 million. The next is Markiplier. Markiplier is also one of the highest paid YouTubers. He has 35.2 million subscribers and 5.4k videos, and his revenue is $38 million. The next is Unspeakable. Unspeakable is also one of the highest paid YouTubers. He has 15.9 million subscribers and 793 videos, and his revenue is $28.5 million. The next is Nastia. Nastia is also one of the highest paid YouTubers. She has 106 million subscribers and 809 videos, and his revenue is $28.5 million. Now you understand how much YouTubers are earning from the YouTube. How many views do you need on YouTube to make money? That is the most common question asked by every YouTuber. To make money on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours in the previous year. Or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the previous 90 days. If you have achieved either, you are eligible to apply to YouTube's partner program and monetize your channel. Once your channel is monetized, you will start receiving money. How YouTube pay money? YouTube will advertise an ad on your video via Google AdSense. YouTube monetizes videos via pre-roll, display, and other advertising formats. Advertisers pay based on clicks and impressions. When a user clicks or watches an ad, you will receive its revenue. But if a video gets viewed but no one clicks the ad, your ad revenue will be zero. However, if your subscribers become YouTube Premium members, you'll earn money from their video views. What kind of videos make the money on YouTube? You can monetize any kind of video content so long as it follows YouTube's guidelines. Several YouTubers in various niches upload different kinds of videos. How much money YouTube pay? The amount of money YouTube pays depends on a variety of factors, such as the number of views your video receives, the number of clicks an ad receives, ad quality, ad blockers, video length, and, at the end, Google also takes a lion's share of your revenue. Google uses a 45/55 share of ad revenue on YouTube. This means Google pays 55% of AdSense revenue to a content creator and takes 45% by itself, for every amount an advertiser pays. The factors influencing YouTube pay. For a start, not every view your video gets is counted as monetized. A viewer needs to watch the ad for at least 30 seconds to count as a view. This is an important factor because it means you don't get paid for every view your video gets. Viewers must stick around and watch the ad for at least 30 seconds, or all of the ad if it is shorter than 30 seconds, for your channel to get paid for it. There isn't much you can do in this aspect except for hoping that YouTube shows entertaining ads to your audience so that they watch a good portion of it. What is CPM? CPM, which stands for cost per mil. Mil is the Latin word for 1,000, so CPM is the cost an advertiser pays for 1,000 impressions or views. The cost per 1,000 ad impressions before YouTube revenue share. It is essentially the cost an advertiser will pay for every 1,000 impressions or views their ad receives on YouTube. What is RPM? RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, it represents how much money a YouTuber earned per 1,000 video views. The RPM gives YouTubers an accurate amount for how much they will be paid for running ads on their content. It's lower than CPM because it deducts YouTube's fees. As a general rule, YouTube keeps 45% of the ad revenue. The 55% that you get is known as RPM. While CPMs and RPMs vary significantly depending on factors like location and the topic of your content, and also includes earnings from other monetization features that benefit creators more directly, such as super thanks. What is CPC? Which stands for cost per click, refers to a price structure adopted by YouTube. CPC on YouTube can affect how much money content producers get by showing advertising on their videos. This is because marketers base their bids for ad spots on the CPC they are ready to pay for YouTube videos. The greater the CPC, the more each click will cost the advertiser, and the likelihood that their ad will appear on the video will increase. By providing high-quality content that draws a larger and more engaged audience and can consequently result in better CPC rates from advertisers, content providers can maximize their earnings. Google AdSense's high CPC countries list for 2023. Country. CTR. CTR stands for cost click-through rate. Click-through rates can be used to gauge how well your keywords, ads, and free listings are performing. CPC. Luxembourg. Its CPC is 65 cents. United States. Its CPC is 61 cents. Australia. Its CPC is 57 cents. United Kingdom. Its CPC is 48 cents. And here is the complete list available. And here is the top 20 high CPC countries for Google AdSense. Luxembourg. Its CPC is between 65 cents and 74 cents. United States. Its CPC is between 61 cents and 73 cents. Australia. Its CPC is 57 cents. United Kingdom. Its CPC is 48 cents. So whenever you create your video, always target that top CPC country. How much will YouTube pay me for one view? According to Google, the rates an advertiser pays can vary. Influencer Marketing Hub says they tend to pay between 10 cents and 30 cents per view. How much will YouTube pay me for 1,000 views? The amount that YouTube will pay you for 1,000 views will vary depending on the advertiser, but the amount ranges between 10 cents to 30 cents per view with an average of 18 cents. If YouTube pay 10 cents per view, then after 1,000 views, you will receive 100 cents, equal to $1. Shorts video made much less money, with creators earning 4 cents to 6 cents per 1,000 views. How much does a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers make a year? If a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers could get their entire audience to watch a new video every week, they could receive about $18,000 per week from AdSense alone. This would equate to $936,000 annually in AdSense revenue. How many dollars do you get per subscriber on YouTube? YouTuber income is not based on how many subscribers follow a channel. Ad viewership is the primary way you'll be paid on YouTube, at least through Google's YouTube Partner Program. However, keep in mind that these are estimates, and some YouTubers may make more or less depending on the quality of the ad, click-through rate, and other factors. Do YouTubers get paid monthly? YouTubers receive monthly paychecks either via mail or direct deposit. Other income from brand deals and other revenue streams varies based on contracts. The AdSense payment cycle is monthly. You accrue estimated earnings over the course of a month, and then at the beginning of the following month your earnings are finalized and posted to your balance on your payments page. If your balance exceeds the payment threshold and you have no payment holds, you'll be issued a payment between the 21st and the 26th of the month. Note that the exact time you receive your payment will depend on your time zone, whether the 21st falls on a weekend or holiday, and your chosen form of payment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.